Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to enable subtitle on YouTube video. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in YouTube studio and then we are in content. Now you see these all are videos. So when we hover on it and then you see detail. So click on it. So we are in video detail and then you see subtitle. So when we hover on it, then you see select the video language before adding subtitle. On left side you see language. So click on it and then you see set language. So you can select your. So we are going to select English. Now select and then you see checkbox option. Make this the default for my channel. So click on confirm. Now settings saved and then you see multiple option, add language, edit subtitle, upload manual. So you can do setting according to your requirement. Now you see edit subtitle, so click on it. Now you see subtitle for this video. Now you see edit timing, so click on it. Now you see format, so you can add your text and then click on publish. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.